travel restrictions are lifted, I would probably go to...
Gusto ko mag-travel after ng lockdown, San.
I would want to go backpacking in the...
I'm gonna go to...
I'd probably go to Thailand since I'm really into Thai shows lately and my mom has been watching vlogs. We could go there to spend time together and at the same time also learn about the culture. I would really love to visit South Korea because I'm a huge K-pop fan and I would really love to experience their culture in person.
And I would probably travel to Japan and go to Akihabara and just weeb out.
Gusto ko mag-travel after ng lockdown, San, Netherlands. One factor na doon yung Amsterdam, yung Northern Lights, yung tulips, yung sunset, ganun. Gusto ko kasi mahanap yung peace na nahahanap ng iba.
I'm pretty sure when I want to go traveling again, I'm gonna go to Thailand, Phuket specifically, maybe Bangkok, but Thailand first, and then back home to America after that. I just want to go scuba diving. So I'm gonna go to Philippines too.
Yeah, cheap drinks.
Philippines after
Massages
Thailand.
on the beach. I think I want to go home first to South Africa, and then to Italy, and then to Thailand. Why? Well, family, food,
Yeah.
and food.
I want to go to Seoul, South Korea to experience their culture, to try their authentic samgyeopsal and kimchi. Kamsahamnida.
I would want to go backpacking in the Legazpi and see Mount Mayon in up close.
After this pandemic, that would definitely be the Philippines. I really look forward traveling to places inside our country with my family that I really miss a lot. So let's hope and pray for that.
Ikaw, Mahal, what country would you like to visit when travel for leisure is allowed again?
Definitely New York.
To visit my brother?
Yeah.
Yeah, and spend time with my brother. New York.
Yeah.
I want to go to Hong Kong Disneyland with my mama and Lola to see